This is the outside yard. All of this. It's very spacious with lots of bushes. And it goes all the way down here. Here's a porch. And the driveway. Taking a video to send to Lily. It is. This is the living room. This is the front door there. And go upstairs. The landing here. Then there's 2 rooms. One right here. And it has a pretty nice closet. Can't really see much without the light on. And this is the other room. Here, the closets are the same size. Bathroom. And then this is a room that I don't have a light in. So
some holidays over there at the bar.
okay. And then this is the basement. It's pretty big. Actually, I'll go this way. And then this is the other half. You know, water heater, furnace, washer, dryer. Then that's the bulkhead door. And that's the house. Hope you like it and hope you come up soon to visit. Love you.